Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, an independent designer for Chalk Couture. And here are my supplies for this video today. I'm using the transfer, All Hallows Mini. And also, for the ghost, I'm using that from the transfer Beware. So I have some chalk chips, and they are 3-inch round chalkboard, and it's just like the chalkboard that we carry, the regular surface. It's really nice, and it's double-sided. So I'm taking a lot of the small transfers that have faces on them, and I'm going to chalk them. First I'm using the color Papaya, I believe, for the pumpkin and the cat. And you just squeegee it on, take off the excess, put it back, and be sure that you wash the transfers, and you're going to let them dry sticky side up because they're reusable, so you want to take care of them. So I just kind of did that. See, it pops. That's a clear, precise image. It does so good, and it's so easy. For somebody who can hardly do a stick figure, and I can do this. This is nice. Okay, so I'm using some different colors. This purple actually is a retired one, but it's still good, so I'm still using it, and I like the color. I think it was called something grape soda. But we have a lot of really pretty purples. And now I'm going to go to white. And honestly, white pops on the chalkboard. So nice. Wait till you see it. On the skeleton, though, I had some, see, doesn't that look good? I have some embellishments. They're like little buttons that are sticky, and they're like crystals, kind of. And I stuck them in the eye sockets of the skeleton. I thought that was cute. And this yellow is bumblebee yellow. Now I am poking holes into the ghost. Actually, this I chalked onto, it was black foam core board, and I just did the bright white chalk paste on it. And once it dried, I cut it out with a craft knife and then just stuck it in with a double-sided tape. Now I am also turning these chalk chips over onto the other side, because like I said, they're double-sided, in case I'm making a banner, if you haven't figured that out by now. In case they turn around, there'll be something on the other side. And then if you want to reuse these and do something different, you could just wash this off with water and you can change the design. Same with all our chalkboards. So now here I'm just taking a piece of twine and just, every other one we're doing some chalk chips and the ghost and some ribbon and some beads, and there it all is. And I think it turned out so cute. Who knew it was so fun to decorate for Halloween? I love it. So fun to play. Bye. Thanks for watching.